Dis ons jongste kliënte nog ooit.
Wat het julle kom koop? Om lekker. Dankie dat julle vir ons kom hallo sê, hoor. Bye bye. Sê nie weer julle name?
Zelandri en Wani.
Julle vanne?
Marie en IJs.
Ys.
Vertel my gou wat van hier aan?
Ja, ons het 'n bietjie koue vleis, salamies en varkribbietjies en T-bone ribs, kaasworsies en ja, allerlei koue vleise hierso.
En wie is jy? Waar kan ons nie kry?
Ek is Dale Stevenson en ons verkoop dit by Simple Convenience in Foxpark.
Dis hoe julle baie produkte.
Ja, dis 'n lekker groot verskeidenheid.
Ek sukkel, ek kry nooit salami in hierdie fikswig nie. Hier sit so 'n hoop vir ons. Mooi dit wonderlik. Jy soms goed kry.
Hallo, ons bak verskeie koekies en ons stuk beesvleis en beesvet wat ons uitkook hierso. En ons
Maar wie is julle?
Ek is Soraya Vermoten en hier is Jana Vermoten. Ja. En ons verkoop ook limonade wat vars tuisgemaak is. Weet dan die Martie Mall. Ja. En ja.
Vertel ons nou vanoggend, ek sien baie goeders hier, so julle moet nou adverteer wat julle al
stelle, dis beesvet wat ons uitkook.
Wow.
Ons draai dit nie uit nie, so dit het nie 'n vreemde smaak, nasmaak nie.
Wow.
So dis baie
Hallo,
skoon.
dit is voor sonnebloemolie beroemd geword het, nee.
Ja. En dit is gesonder as sonnebloemolie want
Ek het al gesien mense maak skoonheidsmiddels van
ja, jy kan hom skoon maak.
hulle
En allerlei. Ja.
ja, julle die mooiste klomp goeders. Ek het nooit geweet ons het soveel goeders hier so in Fiksburg hier onder ons geleeder in nie. Dankie vir julle twee, hoor.
Groot plesier.
Okay. Santa, tell us about what you're doing here, and your products and where you come about it.
Good morning. So we farm at Harmonia in Ficksburg. And my husband does bee farming, so we sell honey and we do honeycomb, we do homemade nougat and keeps them out of mischief. So it's lovely to be here to be able to sell our products and just to interact with the public and the community.
It looks lovely.
Also sell rusks, homemade rusk, but mostly our passion is bees and honey.
It's amazing all the products that we have here on our doorstep and we never even knew about.
Absolutely.
Do you think we should do this every month, end of a month,
Definitely. Definitely.
last Saturday of a month perhaps?
Yeah, I think so.
Well, it's a
lot
wonderful
of people
idea.
are
Yeah.
Very excited about it, so we're happy to be here.
Well, thank you.
Away all the time.
Okay, Valerie, tell us what you're about and where you are and what you're doing and what products you have, please.
I am an artisan cheesemaker outside Fouriesburg. I've got my own cows, mainly Jerseys. I make cheese from raw milk. I only use raw milk. It's the best for you anyway. So I am French, so I make quite a lot of French style cheeses. I have quite a range from farm butter and cream to soft cheeses, feta, and then all the French style cheeses, a bit like camembert, similar to Pont l'Evêque, Brie. You know, I created a few cheeses myself as well. I have won quite a few first places and at the Bloom Show. I do this year the plain Caledon and the Autumn Bloom, which is a white mold, a bloomy rind with porcini mushrooms in the middle.
Wow.
Also won first place. We also make all sorts of preserves on the farm. The honey's not from us. That's the only thing I haven't made. So we do jams and pickles and preserves. Yeah, that's about it. I make also a nice chicken liver pate using my farm butter and try to be as natural and organic as possible.
Right, is it weer?
Okay, laat ek dit net so.
So hier by ons talletjies kry jy lesbok wildsbiltong
Ja.
wat ons self gemaak het.
Droewors, chili bites.
Chili white, eerste probeerslag.
Testing, ja.
en dan het ons 'n heel bout as jy jou eie biltong wil maak. En ons het skenkels as jy 'n potjie wil maak met 'n resep.
Ja. En wat van ons is dit is ons produk op die plaas en Pieter het dit geskiet, geslag, gemaak. So, proudly South Africa, proudly Waterkloof.
Hello and welcome to the Ficksburg Farmers Market, the first of many. My name is Renee and I'm here with Lawrence. We are the Carnivore Cave. At the Carnivore Cave we actually have a variety of different carnivore plants which we are very excited to share. These are the Drosera capensis. They're all Drosera type varieties. We've got about 6 different varieties here. No, you will not see the Venus flytrap as of yet, but in summer you will. The Venus flytrap does not like winter, it goes dormant, but will show itself again in summer and multiply. We also have starter kits for those who are interested in getting their own little plants going. In the starter kit is cocoa peat with the seeds. As you can see, the seeds are minute. Now there are about 1,000 seeds in here, and the beauty of these is that these are very simple plants to keep alive. You literally just need water and warmth. They eat bugs, so you don't have to worry about fertilizer, nutrients, none of that. All you need to do is give it some care, give it some water, make sure you've got some bugs, which I'm sure you do if you live on a farm, and you can start your own little collection of carnivore plants. We hope to see you at the next one.